Good morning, people. Got the whippoorwills out singing to us again this morning. Chilly. Got down into the 50s last night. We're going to make ourselves some coffee, get packed up, and start the climbs out of here. Through the magic of the camera and editing, we're all done packing up, looking around. One last pass. I don't see anything. All right, so first we got to go up there. It's a big climb to get out of here. Big down to a road, and then that ridiculous steep up. All in all, I think it's 4 to 5 miles. So let's get it. This is the campsite above where I camped. Big old area. But this is also where some people were last night as I came through. Or yesterday afternoon, not really last night. We were down in that ditch. Beautiful morning. First climb done. We'll see you up trail. Lots of berries coming off. Mile 12, I hear the road, so we're making the down to get to the road, then we got to go straight up the other side. Oh joy. Trying to give you an idea what the down looks like. There went a vehicle down there. But say to that little small tree right there, that's maybe 20 feet away from me, but probably 30 feet down. All right, we're down, road crossing. Cross over that good looking water source. And then straight up over there. I think that's 300 or 400 feet straight up. So yesterday I kept seeing off to my right, so on my left on the way out, what looked like a clearing. I thought there was going to be a good view here, but there's a little bit. Y'all probably can't see it, but turns out there's like a service road or a horse trail up here. Because our trail is actually right down there. I'll take you back over to it. Here's our trail. So something parallel to this trail. Interesting. View by that camp where the blowdowns are, right off trail. Very nice view. Last road crossing. Let's go, baby! All right, party people, we are back. Pixley Knob trailhead. We got here 4.5 miles. Got here pretty quick. It's town day. Actually, it's time to go home day. It was a great trip. So very grateful I could do it. I'll put the final stats up here in a minute, and Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. If you got something you want us to hike, let us know. If you got something you want us to paddle, let us know. Here's another look at the parking lot here. As you can see, we got 3 cars here right now. You can probably get a 4th and 5th back there without blocking people. So anyhow, thanks for coming along. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you outside.